Hi, this is Dude Crazy 23, and I'll be doing the shooting portion part of my review for the M14 that I showed you earlier. And so let's go. This is fully auto. Okay, I'm going to go fully auto in the other can, starting just about now. I'm about 50 feet back. And semi-auto. I'm about to go start shooting. Changing to semi-auto. Semi-auto on the other can. Compared to the Crossman that I just did a few minutes ago, you'll see that with it. Watch that one as well, please. As you'll see with that one's very inaccurate compared to this gun. This gun, I could just go all day and not miss a shot if I took the time. As you can see, I was kind of rapidly firing the semi-auto on the two shots. And with the about probably the 4, maybe the 3-foot barrel, or this makes it very accurate. And no, the 2.5, sorry, it makes it very accurate. And the gun and all is probably about 3.5 feet. It's a very long sniper. And so this will about end up my video portion of the shooting portion of my review. And comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you.